for about 10 minutes and take a look. You can see that it's almost dry on the skin. And what I like to do next, I like to go back in and give it a rub. Not too rough now. Wait, look at that. My skin just peels back. All in dead skin cells. Now I'm just gonna rinse.
You might be wondering, what is a chemical peel? A chemical peel is a technique using mostly some form of acid that is used to improve the texture and also to smooth the skin. This will help to get rid of dead skin cells, get rid of the outer layer of the skin, the buildup. It will also help to improve scars on the skin. It will have your skin looking just smooth and radiant. Now, some people tend to go get this done professionally, but you can also whip up something in your kitchen. It might not be as, good as getting it done professionally, but it will be good enough to have your skin looking bright, radiant, and glowing. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to mix 3 natural acid, and these acid are going to be taken from fruits and, stuff like that. And I'm going to show you how to make your own chemical peel at home. So if you're looking for a natural way to get smooth skin, to get rid of the dead skin cells from the surface of your skin, to have your skin looking younger, fresher, with a natural glow, follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up. I will also show you how to use it on your skin for best results. So don't go away, continue watching for the recipe.
Now today we're going to be using aspirin, regular aspirin, and we're going to be using about 3 aspirin in this recipe. We're using the aspirin for its salicylic acid properties, and salicylic acid is excellent for cleaning the skin. It helps to exfoliate the surface of the skin, penetrates in the pores and remove dirt and grease from the pores, excess oil from the pores, and this will leave your skin bright, clear. So what I'm going to be doing with the aspirin, I'm going to pour about half a teaspoon of hot water on the aspirin, and I'm gonna let it sit in the hot water for a couple of minutes to dissolve. So I'm gonna put it aside to dissolve while I introduce the next ingredient. Our next ingredient is lemon, and I'm using the lemon for its citric acid properties. When mixed with the salicylic acid, it's going to help to get rid of all the outer layer, the dead skin cell from your skin, and it's going to leave your skin radiant. Now, lemon contains vitamin C, which also will help to brighten and lighten the skin. Today, I'm going to be using both lemon juice and lemon zest. So let's wash our lemon, and then we're going to zest and extract the juice. To extract the lemon zest, I'm just gonna zest the lemon. We don't need a lot of lemon zest here. You can also use dried orange peel or some orange zest. I just like using the lemon zest. A little goes a long way. We don't need a lot. And put the zest aside. And now we're gonna just cut our lemon. Lemon smells really sweet. We don't need a lot of lemon juice either. So I'm going to squeeze the lemon juice. Now let's reach back for our aspirin. And you can clearly see it has dissolved. This is exactly how you want it. Mix it. Further help it dissolve. And then we're going to reach for our lemon. This is a half a teaspoon measurement. We're using 1 teaspoon of the lemon juice. Pour that in our aspirin. So a teaspoon of lemon juice. So we have aspirin and we have lemon juice. So let's mix together. Then we're gonna reach for our lemon zest, and this is about a teaspoon of the lemon zest. And we're mixing. Mix well. Lemon zest, aspirin, and lemon juice. Next, And once this is done, guys, you're gonna put this aside for about an hour or so. You're gonna let the aspirin and the lemon juice infuse with the lemon zest. You know, just let it infused. And then after that, we're gonna add our final ingredient to this. Now after about an hour, we're gonna reach back for our lemon aspirin mixture. We're gonna give it a stir. And next we're gonna introduce our final ingredient, which is yogurt. And we're using yogurt for the lactic acid, which also is gonna help to get rid of the dead skin cell and give your skin that clean appearance. Now we are using around about a tablespoon of our yogurt, and we're adding this to our lemon mixture. For this homemade peel, notice we're using 3 acid in this. 3 natural acid. We're using salicylic acid, we're using lactic acid, and we're also using citric acid. So we're gonna mix the yogurt, guys. If you have sensitive skin, the yogurt is gonna help to cool that, to ease that. So mix all together, just blend well. Once this is completely mixed in, guys, I'm gonna set it aside again. This time I'm gonna place it in the refrigerator, and I'm gonna set it in the refrigerator for about an hour or so. Now after that, guys, I'm gonna come back and show you how to use this on your skin to give yourself an homemade peel, to get clean, clear skin, to get rid of the excess dirt from the pores, to brighten the skin. It's gonna help to get rid of the spots and blemishes on the skin, and it's gonna reveal amazing looking skin. So put this in the refrigerator for about an hour, and then I'm gonna show you how to use. Now to use your peel, guys, you want to make sure to cleanse your face before you apply it on your skin. And I like to give it a little stir. Just stir it up. Now what we're going to do with this, we're going to apply it on our face. So we're going to use our hands, guys. Just put in some on my face here. Just apply the peel on your face. Then you're going to take your hands. You're basically scrubbing your face with it. Circular motion, guys. Don't forget your forehead. Do not let this get in your eyes, guys. Exfoliate your skin. A little pressure, but not too hard. A lot of blackheads and whiteheads, guys, especially on your nose. Just keep exfoliating. And you're gonna exfoliate your skin for about 2 minutes or so. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna leave this on your skin. So leave it on your skin for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, guys, what I like to do, I like to come back, take a little bit, and then I'm just gonna lather it all over my skin a second time. You can take this down on your neck and décolleté, guys. Just give it a good feel. Now once this is done, I'm gonna rinse this off, preferably with some cold water. Pat dry the skin and apply your favorite beauty products. I suggest you use this peel at night, guys. You really do not want to go out in the sun after you use this. So if you use it in the morning, be mindful of the sun. So preferably at night, so that you spend at least 10 hours or so before you hit the sun. Pat dry the skin and apply your favorite skincare products. And there you have it, guys. A simple and easy natural homemade chemical peel. I suggest you use this at least once per week. Use it for a month and then come back and leave a comment. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video and leave your comment. Those are always welcome. And if this was the first time watching, don't leave without subscribing. So look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video with another amazing facial recipe, facial treatment, facial care.